Hey everybody, happy Tech Time Tuesday. Today we've got another coach up on our Coney's list, but this one's kind of unique because Tommy's going to share with you not just what we found on this coach, but we found something earlier this week, and you need to listen to this guy because not only has he been a technician for a long time, but he's got that engineer mind and he's been doing some R&D stuff, right?
Yeah. I mean, I worked as a technician here in the past, and then come back to work in the R&D area after getting some engineering experience. So yeah, happy to be back here.
So he knows what he's looking for, so let's show him what we found.
Okay. Yeah. So first, we're going to talk about issue we ran into, as Rich alluded to, both on this coach and a previous one. We got a broken body mount there, and actually I would say even the majority of them were that way. They were held on with one small weld. Over time, the chassis flexes, the body flexes differently. You get a lot of bumps going over the road, especially with these in their stock form, have a pretty harsh ride. All of that combines to make those little welds break. So we saw that on a nearly identical coach last week and again on this one. So before we send this out the door, we're going to go ahead and weld those back up, make sure that their foundation is secure, which kind of gets me to the point of when you're looking at buying a new coach, you want to make sure you're not just looking at the inside of it, looking at the floor plan, looking at the amenities. You want to make sure that your foundation, everything underneath on the chassis side, is secure. This is like buying a house that's ready to slide off of its foundation. So just very important to make sure that when you're looking at buying a coach.
Yep, I love that analogy. I mean, no, who would buy a really nice house, but then it's built on sand? So the foundation's important. We encourage people to come to the shop and get what we call an RPA, Road Performance Assessment. We'll inspect your foundation and make sure that your floor plan is not the only thing that's, looks great, but you have that foundation solid. So I really like what you said about that. That's good.
Like every Tech Time Tuesday, want to wish you safer and happier driving.
Thank you.